In the heart of Spain's coast, not far from the picturesque town of Calpe, we discovered a place where time seemed to slow down just for us. A quiet ranch nestled among rolling hills, with golden sunlight brushing the grass, and skies so blue they looked like they were painted just for this day. For Michelle and Adam, it was something completely new. Not just meeting an animal, but learning about connection, trust, and attentiveness. Instead of rushing, there was calm. Instead of screens, the soft warmth of a pony's fur under their hands. Michelle with painted face, unicorn pony. Michelle smiled as she was transformed into a colorful little fairy. And our gentle pony, dressed in glitter and flowers, looked just like a magical unicorn. Together, they were ready to step into their own small fairy tale adventure. Close-ups of brushing, petting, soft music in the background. But before the ride came something even more meaningful: getting to know each other. For over 30 minutes, Michelle gently brushed the pony, speaking softly, looking into its eyes. She learned that trust from an animal doesn't come right away. It's earned slowly through patience and kindness. Adam joins, shared laughter, bonding. At first, Adam just watched, but then he joined in. And in that moment, I realized this wasn't just playtime. It was a shared journey. They laughed together, looked at each other, and lived that same sense of wonder. Kids ride the pony in the arena, calm, sunny atmosphere. When the time came to ride, the children were led into an old bullfighting arena. Once a place of noise and chaos, now filled with gentle joy. No shouting, no spectacle. Just a pony, 2 kids, and a few quiet circles in the soft sand. Laughter replaced the echo of the past. This experience will stay with us for a long time. Not just because of the beauty of the scenery, but because of what we all learned from the animals. Patience, empathy, presence. That day wasn't just an adventure for our kids. In a world so full of noise, it's the simple moments that mean the most. Love, trust, and magic. It really does exist. You just have to be still long enough to see it.